Hi, the next set of videos and exercises are all about learning actually how to throw and catch, etc. But we're actually going to make a sock ball. So you need to get some socks, and what you've got to do is get one sock and put it inside another sock like so. So you're going to put it inside the sock. Once you push the sock all the way in, you then, look, I push my hand out a little bit, but then I twist. So I twist, and then the hand that's in the sock grabs hold of it. Then what we do is you pull this hand all the way up over it, and then you've got one sock inside the other. Now what you do is you put your hand back inside again. Put your hand back inside again. Then you twist again, bite it, and pull again. Now you've got a really super tight sock, and if you want to try it once more, you just twist and turn, and there you actually have your sock ball ready for all the exercises in the next videos. Enjoy.